So I decided to make a coupler. I was dreading doing this because I had already installed the motor, and then I had to. I mean, it's just a matter of undoing a couple screws here and undoing the landing gear just to drop the motor and get it loose. But I just finished this aluminum coupler here. I still need to make uh, a couple or maybe a few holes, maybe in delta configuration on this coupler here, so that it attaches to this spur, not a spur, bevel gear. But we can see, it is moving it. So my clearance is just right. Um, Come on, baby, focus. Yeah, the clearance is just right there. So you can see how it's moving the tail uh, the tail bevel gear as well. The spur gear is moving the pinion, and that drives the tail rotor. So I have to also make provisions for a couple set screws. I actually used a hex stock aluminum, which is my favorite raw material to use for a lot of stuff, because the hex just grabs onto the lathe at 3 points. The three of the flats are really easy. So I use a three jaw chuck for a lot of the stuff that I do in aluminum. Miniature stuff. I don't do big stuff, but for the miniature stuff, so I buy aluminum hex stock in various dimensions. So I can pretty much whip out a part really easy. As I was saying, this is missing that part. That's missing the one of the blade grips, which I can try to mimic this. I mean, I can program my CNC machine, because I do have a little shear line that I haven't used in decades. But it's programming that, I have to go back to my old program, and program that, which is it's a little bit elaborate, to do, but I can probably mimic this. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to use a hex stock, the same hex stock in maybe half-inch hex stock, and then just cut a slot, and then it's got to have provisions for a ball bearing there, and the little screw that goes right through that. So it's not a very hard part to do. This I can do it separately. This arm, I can make that also out of aluminum. It's a coupler. Um, with some kind of a key, so that it engages and it locks into the plate holder. But I'm done with that part, so it's coming along.